You are paying over $225 a month for tools Google now gives away. Loom, Canva, Otter, ElevenLabs, Adobe Acrobat, Grammarly, DeepL, Notion AI, Perplexity, Jasper. Google shipped free replacements for all 10, and I will show you every single one live. Number 10 replaces the most expensive subscription on this list. One thing first, so this list actually helps you. Everything here runs on Google's free plan. No trial, no credit card. I tested every task this week on a plain free account. If a task needed a paid plan, it did not make this list. Think of your subscriptions like old gym memberships. You signed up for one machine, you kept paying long after a free park opened across the street. Today, we walk through that park. Ready for number one? Number one, Loom. Loom's business plan runs $18 a month. The free plan cuts you off at 5 minutes per video and 25 videos total. This April, Google released the Vids screen recorder extension for Chrome. It records your screen, camera, and microphone in one click. Each recording can run 30 minutes, and it costs nothing. Watch. The file lands in your Google Drive automatically. You share it like any Google Doc. Private by default until you send the link, so quick videos are handled at zero cost. But what about the design tool on your card? Number 2, Canva Pro. $15 a month, mostly for premium graphics and image editing. Open the free Gemini app instead and type this. You just generated and edited an image with plain English. Free users get up to 100 images per day. That is not a teaser limit. That is more output than most of us need in a month. Images are one thing, but what about the tool that listens to your meetings? Number 3, Otter. The Pro plan costs $16.99 a month for 20 hours of transcription. Here is the free route. Open NotebookLM and upload your meeting recording as an audio file. It transcribes the whole meeting, summarizes it, and answers questions about what was said. Ask it who promised what, and it points to the exact spot. The free plan gives you 50 chat questions a day, every day. By the way, if this is already saving you money, the subscribe button is free too. Now your meetings are covered. But what about the voice you pay for? Number 4, ElevenLabs. Voiceover plans run $11 to $22 a month. Google AI Studio now generates speech at no cost. Over 30 voices, more than 70 languages, even 2 speakers in one clip. One honest warning before you cancel anything. The free output is not licensed for commercial projects. For a client video, you still need a paid route. For your own projects, presentations, and drafts, it costs nothing. Your voice is covered. But what about the PDF tool with the new AI upsell? Number 5, Adobe Acrobat's AI Assistant. It is a separate add-on, $4.99 a month on top of what you already pay Adobe. Its whole job is answering questions about your PDFs. Gemini does that free. Upload a contract, a lease, a 40-page report. Ask it anything in plain English. It answers from the document, and you never open Acrobat. That is 5 subscriptions down, half the list. Before number 6, let me say the quiet part out loud. Most of these companies are not really selling software anymore. They are selling AI you can already get free, wrapped in a familiar logo. Otter runs on speech models. Jasper runs on the same class of models as Gemini. The subscription price pays for the brand, not the intelligence. The industry counts on one thing, that you never check. Am I wrong? Tell me in the comments which tool on this list you refuse to cancel and why. I read every comment. Now, about that grammar checker. Number 6, Grammarly Pro. $12 a month billed yearly. $30 if you pay month to month. Paste your email into the free Gemini app and use this prompt. It fixes grammar, spelling, and tone in one pass. It rewrites sentences when you ask, and it explains why, which Grammarly charges extra to do well. Your English is covered, but what if your work crosses languages? Number 7, DeepL Pro. The individual plan runs about $10.50 a month billed monthly. The free version cuts you off mid-document. Gemini does not. You get the translation, then you adjust the tone in the same chat. Try asking DeepL to make it friendlier. That is a different subscription tier. Translation handled. But where do you keep all your notes and documents? Number 8, Notion AI. Full AI features now sit in the business plan at $20 per user per month. NotebookLM is the free answer, and it got a big upgrade. Since April, notebooks are built into the Gemini app for free users too. You get 100 notebooks, 50 sources in each, on the free plan. Ask a question, and it answers from your own documents with citations. Your documents can talk back now. So who still needs a $20 research assistant? Number 9. Perplexity Pro, $20 a month for AI research with citations. Gemini has deep research. It reads dozens of sources and writes a full cited report while you get coffee. Free accounts get a handful of reports each month, around 5. If you research occasionally, that covers you. If you research daily, you may still want a paid plan. That is the honest math. Quick pause. If this video already paid for itself, subscribing costs you exactly as much as these tools. Nothing. Which brings us to the big one I promised. Number 10. Jasper, the AI writing tool marketers pay for. The entry plan for new users is $69 a month. Gemini Gems do the same job free. A gem is your own custom assistant with standing instructions. Set it up once, reuse it forever. That gem now writes in your voice every time, without re-explaining yourself. That was Jasper's entire pitch at $69 a month. So where does that leave your subscription stack? Let us add it up. In this video, we replaced 10 tools: screen recording with Vids, images with Gemini, transcription with NotebookLM, voiceover with AI Studio, PDFs with Gemini. Then proofreading and translation with Gemini, notes with NotebookLM, research with Deep Research, and brand writing with Gems. Now the bill. Loom 18, Canva 15, Otter 17, ElevenLabs 22, Acrobat AI 5, Grammarly 30, DeepL 10, Notion 20, Perplexity 20, Jasper 69. That is over $225 a month, more than $2,700 a year. Every task I showed you ran at zero. If you already have a Google account, these replacements cost you nothing extra. And if you ever hit the free limits, Google AI Plus is $7.99 a month. That is about 1/30th of that stack. These are US prices. Check the pricing in your country because it varies. Here is your decision map: recording or meetings, Vids and NotebookLM, writing, images, PDFs or translation, Gemini, deep questions across your own files, NotebookLM, big research reports, Deep Research, 2 honest limits. AI Studio's free voices are not for commercial client work, and free Deep Research caps out at a few reports a month. If NotebookLM surprised you today, watch my video on how it replaced Notion for me. It goes much deeper. Every link and every prompt from this video is in the description. Copy them straight in. This channel exists for one reason. Experienced professionals should profit from AI, not pay rent to it. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week I test a free tool against a $50 one on camera. The winners are not the people who pay for the most software. They are the people who try free once.